Alright, I'm here with Compton. Right there, right there. Hey, how do you? He's right there. No, right there. I can't see you. Compton. Oh, Compton.
Get a chair.
He's gonna go get a chair. Not from over there.
From where?
Oh. Fuck.
I'll sit up here.
Nah. That's Compton over there. Wait. Fuck. Right there. Alright. Today was a pretty fun day, you know? Yeah. You know what we did? We fucked a bitch. No, I'm just playing. No, I'm just playing. We double teamed her ass. No. We fucking went to the mall. We're about to go to movies. Then we fucking went. We're trying to sneak in. What's his name?
Fucking Russell
Brand. Russell Brand didn't let us in because we were like, let us in, bitch. And he was like, Russell Brand was just like, he was like, and then he went to go rat us out to the movie people, and he called security on us.
So we had to go.
So we went, and then we went back to the mall for a little, and like, there was like a whole bunch of fucking swaggers everywhere. Everywhere, man. Fucking like, it was like a party of swaggers. And they were like, when we went to the movies, there was like so many.
I know, they're everywhere.
Especially at McDonald's, they had a rap battle over there.
You weren't even there. What the
We saw it though, we heard. Then right when we left, you know what we do?
What did we do?
What did we do when we left?
I don't know. Oh, we were walking. We're in a Target.
No, we went to Coco's to get fucking eat over there. And then we went to Target. We fucked around in there. We threw shit everywhere. And then like,
we're throwing balls.
good thing Russell Brand wasn't over there because she would rat us shit out, you know? Fucking Russell Brand. Yeah.
Like, Katie's like bad on you.
Oh, he's trying to scratch your ass.
Oh, shit.
No, don't.
Oh, shit. That's that. Time to go.
Alright.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh, shit hurt.
Alright. You know, that's how thugs roll. Let me put this shit on. Thug life.
Oh, shit, my bad.
You're gonna fucking die. I'm gonna kick your ass with this shit.
Can't even see myself.
Alright. To all the fucking... Alright, let's make a shout out, you know? Shout out to Bach and Benji. Yeah.
Bach and Benji.
Shout out to Albert Rocha 97. Shout out to Kevin, that bird.
The bird, Kevin.
That bird. Shout out to everybody.
Oh, wait.
No, not the haters. Fuck them. Who's this?
And coupons.
We're gonna bust a seat tomorrow.
Coupons.
We're gonna bust a seat tomorrow.
Cheetos. Wait. Save $2.50.
Save $2.50 on Cheetos.
Wait, they're not even Cheetos. Lay's.
Yeah, Lay's. Alright.
That's all the shoutouts.
I don't know. Alright.
What the fuck?
Alright. Fucking. Shout out to my dick.
Your dick.
Shout out to this watch. They're real diamonds. Yeah. Shout out to Steph. Come on! Alright, where's my phone so I can shout out to you? Go get my phone. Go get my phone!
I'll got your phone, motherfucker!
Alright. Shout out to...
You can't even see it.
Shout out to my girl. You can't really see, but...
Oh, my girl.
I can't.
It doesn't work.
No, bitch!
Whoa!
Hey, shout out to your girl.
Yeah.
Shout out to her. Shout out to all the people who are watching my videos, yeah. Shout out to Wiz Khalifa for making some good ass fucking songs. Wiz Khalifa, nigga. You know? Shout out to fucking Aldeezy for making the best fucking techno ever. Put some Aldeezy on.
Wait, who?
Taylor Gang. Love fucking. What was I gonna say?
What song? Wait.
Alright. So remember, fucking comment below to tell me what to talk about. Fucking fuck you in the ass really hard.
What the
Shout out to Sean Khalifa, man. And Tyga. And fucking Snapbacks.
Shout out to Snapbacks?
Shout out to Snapbacks. Shout out to Team Thug Life.
Team Thug Life.
Shout out to
I need to check.
Shout out to No, get off. No. Shout out to Team Swavy. Yeah.
Oh, rap session.
You guys ready for a rap session? And I saw a girl with some big ass fucking tits, and I said, let me get at those, and I motorboat those tits. Yeah, I put my dick up your ass with my little target on the glass. You know how I do.
Little dick.
Did you hear this? And I saw a bitch with a fucking huge ass, and I told her to fuck off because she doesn't have a glass, and I need a. Hey, none of that shit. None of that shit. Yeah. None of that shit. Yeah. Oh no.
Come on.
Here, I'll make a tattoo.
Tattoo session.
Here, do a tattoo for me. Not gay though. Not gay.
It's getting naked.
Not gay. Not big either. Like make a tattoo.
What tattoo? What do you want?
Right. No looking, he's doing a tattoo for me. This is from me to you. He's doing alright. Motherfucker.
Hey, perfect.
I'm done.
It's backwards.
Oh, I love you. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna dip right now. We'll make a video like in a little. We'll think of something to talk about and we'll make it, right? Alright. We'll see you guys tomorrow night at 3 o'clock in the. No, I'm just playing. Whoa. Woo.
Let's go. Hey.
I'ma go hard. We're dipping out of this fucking joint. I might be dreaming. So goodbye. Bye. Say bye.